this is the Lifan 212. It has electric start, which is super awesome. It's street legal. It's got all the lights, all the doodads. I'm running 1-to-3 ratio rockers with 37-pound single springs. I have the red spring in the jugger driver, whatever, or in the driven pulley. I didn't do any porting or change the stock valves. I just put 1-to-3 rockers, and man, she's real punchy, real surprising. The power it has is, you know, adult level fun power. You know what I mean? It picks right up, and I'm still breaking it in yet. So, yeah, it's just pretty nice. Just a 26 PWK with, I think I'm running a 35 115, and I haven't had it wide open yet. I've only given about half throttle or so because I'm still breaking in, but I'm still probably cruising 45 50 mile an hour at half throttle. So I mean, I can't wait to get her totally broke in and